Next, exercise 1, ABS bike arms. Next, exercise 2, ABS bike toe tap. Next, exercise 3, alternating Superman. Next, exercise 4, bent leg raise, hip lift. Next, exercise 5, commando side plank. Congratulations, your workout is complete. Pro tips. First set, total time 4 minutes, 5 exercise, 45 seconds each, no rest. Repeat the circuit 2 to 3 times if you want an advanced 8 to 12 minute burn. Perform this workout 5 to 6 days a week for visible core definition. Pair it with clean eating. Reduce sugar and fried food and increase protein and fiber. Drink warm water with lemon in the morning to boost metabolism. Remember, abs are made in the kitchen, revealed through consistency. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.